Hi, I'd like to thank StepLively for sending me a set of mats that I could use in my kitchen and let you know how I feel about them. So I put them in my kitchen, but you could also put them in a laundry room or a bathroom or like a back patio. And they are very squishy, almost a ½ inch thick. They're actually 0.4 inches thick. And I wanted you to see close up the pattern. It looks really good in my kitchen. Let me go show you how they look. Okay, so as you can see, I have white cabinets and gray countertop, and the mats look really good. This is the one that I was just showing you, and I keep it in front of the sink. And then the other place that I spend most of my time in the kitchen is at the oven and stove. And so this one is a little bit longer than this one, but they both look really good with my white cabinets and my stainless steel appliances. Looks so pretty. Let me show you how easy they are to wipe up. Here I have spilled some cooking sauce on this one, so I just want to show you how easy it is to clean that up. These will also resist breaking if you drop a glass on them. They're so cushioned that the chances of the dish breaking are pretty low if you drop it on the mat compared to like if you dropped it on tile or wood. So for all of the reasons that I talked about in my video, I do highly recommend these mats.